video, hindi na, nag-i-intro. Hi guys! For this video, I will show you the proper hand grips of holding the badminton racket. So for the first grip, this could be the forehand grip. Ito one technique para magawa natin ang forehand grip. So kung right-handed ka, so itapat mo lang yung kamay mo ganyan, slowly down, then first i-close mo yung 3 fingers mo. Then, and yung thumb mo, ilagay mo naman siya over the middle finger. Then, i-close mo siyang ganyan. So, yan na. Nagawa na natin yung forehand grip. Sa paggamit ng forehand grip, kaya natin na gawin ito para i-hit yung shuttlecock na mataas without hurting your wrist. Like this. So, para naman sa ating backhand grip, so you can start in the forehand grip, which is in this position. Kailangan mo lang gawin ay put down your index finger and put your thumb in the flat surface of the grip. So para doon, kung bakit may purpose ito, kung bakit ito nakalagay dito. So para kapag magtitira ka ng shuttlecock, ay magkaroon ng puwersa ng force dito sa iyong paghampas, like this. So for the last grip, gagawin natin yung overhand grip. So, gamit dito, magsisimula ka sa may thumb mo. Hanapin mo lang yung yung groove side of your grip dito. Yan. Then, you can close na yung other fingers. By holding into this, it allows you to give, it allows you to swing, it allows you to swing at full power without any restriction on your wrist, like that. So in using this grip, it gives you a directional choice whether straight or across. And using this grip, it's a lot easier than using other grips. So yan yung mga proper grips in holding a badminton racket. So let's apply this in a simple match. Okay? First, the forehand grip. So now I will be applying the forehand grips in this match. Next, I will be applying the backhand grip. Okay, ganito. Next, and the last, I will be applying the overhead grip. Sana